Are we live? Let's check this out. Are we live? I just want to make sure that we are. Yep. All right, let's go. So that's good. Just need the chat here. Just need to paste that here. All right. And let's go. So, integrating TipTap with Laravel. That's what the title says, and that's what we're going to do. So, TipTap. Let's see. Um, if I remember correctly, it was very easy to do. That's why it's a chill stream. No need to think, just need to copy and paste stuff. There's a PHP installation. TipTap for PHP. No, I doubt that's what I want. I want for Vue 3 because I'm using inertia. So yeah, Vue 3. All right. Um, all right. So create project, Vue create my TipTap project. Nope. So install the dependencies. All right. I'll also start a server and compile the dependencies. I mean the other way around, but yeah. Alright, so create a new component. Yeah, I'll create a TipTap component. I can do that while it's installing. Oh, it's already installed. Alright. Hi everyone. TipTap.dev. That's just yeah. So we'll call it not TipTap.dev but editor.vue. Alright. And make a template. Template script setup. All right. So what is the documentation saying? First of all, let's see where we need to add the editor. If it want, okay, it loads. Let's log in. All right. For example, here. So here, that's just a text area, and this needs to be a TipTap editor, right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna copy that. Aren't they showing it for like the view composition API? That'd be great. Yes, they are. Perfect. So I'll just copy that here. Um, and that's in the. Okay, I'm a bit lost. I don't know why, if that's supposed to be in the component or not, but let's import the editor and see what we get. Let's reload. All right. And oopsie, we got an error here. Error loading dynamically imported module. All right, fair enough. I guess. Yep. It's missing the dot view. Let's try again. And we got something. Can we make it bold? Yeah, we can make it bold. Can we make it bold and italic? Yes, we can. All right. Well, the job's done. All right. End of the stream. So let's add buttons. First of all, let's add maybe some border. So we want to add a props, property, which is going to be a label. It's going to be a string. That's going to be the name, which is going to be the name of the, well, the inputs basically. I don't know how that's going to work and how easy it is to make that work, but we'll try. And so let's add the label for name with the label. All right. And I'm just gonna see what classes do I apply here. So block text grade 700. All right. Let's copy that here and paste that over there. Right. Is that better? No, because we did not pass in a label, which means that, you know, does not work well. So let's add that in the edit.view right here. So the name will be body, the label will be body, and I'm going to already model it to form.body, and we'll handle that event, you know, emitting and receiving later. But here we should see the label. Yeah, we do have the body, so I'm actually going to make it um, uppercase the first letter. Yeah, so it's better. All of the inputs have like a first property that yeah, I'm just gonna copy that. So basically, there's a margin top 4 unless there's the first property, because you often like don't want your first input to have a margin top, for example, because you have a title in above it. Don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. And then the editor and all the inputs always have like this small margin top, right? Um, if if I add some padding, is it going to just work, or how much padding do I add here? Let's collapse that so we have a bit more space. All right, I'll even copy that here and paste that there. All right, so it is better. It already looks like, oh no. All right, so I think it's using prose mirror, right? Let's try that. I want to look up the documentation, which I think, yeah, okay. So instead of putting classes here, we'll just put it on the class mirror thingy. So yeah, this is way better already. Um, we need to add like a max width large, and we're missing a rounded. I no rounded, simply rounded, or yeah. All right. So we got the same design. Still a tip tap editor, great. Let's add the buttons, which I have like I don't know how do they call it. So menus, like maybe. So let's see. I'll full screen that so we can have a good look at it. Um, all right. That's not, I don't want that. Floating menu. All right. I don't want that either. Yeah, I want buttons. Great. Editor, the chain that focus that toggle ball that run. That's like whoa. Okay, it's a lot of code for not a lot of things, but yeah, it's a long comment. I agree. Um, all right. So I actually used TipTap before, so I know a bit how it works. So it has the isActive class if it's active. All right, let's use that. And see if we do get a bold thingy. I don't know where I'm supposed to add these. So that did not work. Okay, because it's probably gonna submit it, so we need to make it a tip button. Alright, so the button works. The button works, but the button isn't. It's gonna be hard to like style it. Can I just put it inside? I don't think that's going to work, but you know. No, of course it doesn't. I'll also change the title to something bit. Something that always drives engagement is adding the fact that I'm 17. You know, because you gotta get those numbers, am I right? Alright, and the stream title has been updated. Let's get those clicks. So view tip tap example. I don't know. Right, let's see how it does it. Components, editor, right? Then you have the editor content there. Yeah, great. Um, so that means removing the focus styles on the editor itself, and alright. Well, that's a bit annoying, but sure. So let's make a new div then that we'll call, well, that we won't call anything, we'll just write classes. Because that's how that powerful Tailwind is. Let's make it rounded as well. Alright. I want to use icons, but I doubt that Ericons has all these icons, like bold and everything. Yeah. So I think tip top is probably yeah, suggesting a few icons. Great. So, remix icon. I've seen that before. Photosum, of course, and UI icons. I don't think I've ever stumbled upon that. Oh, IBM. Nope. Not doing that. It's personal preferences, but if remix icon load, it's probably great. Alright, well, while it loads, I'm just going to add a few more. Maybe we can even style it. I'll just add like a, I don't know, take a random icon, right? So import home icon as bold icon from hero icon view 20 solid, right? So we can call it bold, so we don't have much to change. And nope, did not like that. Alright. Setup that editor is undefined. That's unexpected. Is it just because that? That would not make sense. Setup that editor is undefined. That's interesting. Is it this one? Oh, I guess it's this one then, yeah. Right. And why is that not okay? Setup.editor is undefined. Yet it's not, right? Cyclic object value. Let's call that tab. Setup.tab is undefined, but why would you use? I'm confused here. Let's think. Let's log. Let's log tab, see what we get. So we get a like, yeah, something, right? So we get undefined. Okay, yeah. Why do we get undefined? Why do we get undefined? So I think we found this thing where it already existed, so what's happening here? So it does new editor, right? Yeah, well, let's try that. So we're gonna have our new editor, with content being hello world, of course, and the extensions being starter kit. Let's try and do things manually, right? So on before unmount, we'll destroy tap. All right. We'll destroy tap. What else? What else? Is that it? I feel like that's not it. Okay, seems like that's it. Let's add that. What was use editor doing? Unmounted. All right. Well, we don't need to get the value back for now, so that just works. And I can click on that, and it works. All right. So good, very good. Bold icon, bold icon is gone, of course. But we'll add perfect. So let's just add a few components in the icons folder. So bold.view. So I don't want to like download a whole library and everything. That seems widely inefficient. So bold class with 5 h5. Alright, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that.